Have you ever taken a photo that you really loved, but there was just something in it that didn't fit or detracted from the overall scene? Fortunately, Generative Remove in Lightroom makes it easy to get rid of unwanted elements or distractions. Hi, my name is Bea Lubas. I'm a food and lifestyle photographer. I'm also a Lightroom ambassador and the author of the book, How to Photograph Food. Let's head over to Lightroom to see how to remove unwanted distractions with Generative Remove. Generative Remove can be found in the Remove panel. Select Remove tool and then click on Generative AI. So I took this photo on location where I was photographing with a group of photographers, and I accidentally captured one of the photographer's arm in my frame. There is also the blue pole in the background that I find quite distracting, so I want to remove both of these elements from this image. To select an element to remove, I'm going to change the size of the brush to suit the element that I want to remove. And then I'm going to go over the first element, the arm, and I'm going to brush over it, going beyond the edges. I can also use the brush refinement if I would like to add to this brush selection or subtract from it. So here, I'll just carry on brushing over the rest of this element to add it to this selection. If the element you want to remove has a shadow, make sure to brush over that shadow as well. And now that the element is selected, I can click on Apply and then let Lightroom do its magic. That did a pretty good job, and the great thing about the Generative Remove tool is that Lightroom has given me 3 different variations to choose from. You can find those down here. So now I can click through the 3 variations to find the one I like best. And here I'm going to stay with the first one. Next, let's remove the second distraction. For that, I'm going to change the size of the brush and make it smaller. And then I'm going to go over the blue pole and then brush over it, also making sure that I include the shadow. And now I can click on Apply. Again, I can click through the 3 variations to find the one I like the most. And here, I'm going to go with the second one. To see a before and after view, click the small eye icon at the top of the Remove panel. And this is the before Generative Remove, and this is the after. Generative Remove in Lightroom helps you get rid of unwanted elements and distractions very quickly. Now that you've seen how this tool can be used to improve your photographs, give it a try on your own projects.